This is a dv9000 well, with a graphic problem on the motherboard. It has the usual NVIDIA problem on here, which is this chip here. What we're going to do is we're going to perform the rework on there. So if you want to proceed. We're using very state-of-the-art rework station. So it's by Inersa. It's a German-made rework station. It's the IR550. Currently the actual logic board has been set up here. It also has a camera to focus it actually on the soldering connections on the chipset itself. Yeah, applying the thermocoupler on there at the moment. Selecting current profile for the NVIDIA chip. And this is the infrared, and here we go. So this is just basically gonna rework the board, and hopefully this should fix the problem.